Bismillah, salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. The objective of this video is to identify past tense verbs in Arabic without using any grammar. We will just look at the word and find out its meaning. Before we start, we need to know what is Dhamma, Fatha, and Kasra. Now, when we talk with someone, we use the following words like he, she, they, you all, we, and I. And this is what we will try to identify in Arabic. Now, for the first four verbs, and there aren't many, for the first four verbs, just look at the verb ending. For example, to at verb end means I. This word fa'altu means I did. Similarly, na at verb end means we. Fa'alna, we did. If you find ta at verb end, it means you. Fa'alta, you did. If you find tum or tumu at verb end, it means you all. This is plural. Fa'altum, you all did. Or you can have tumu also at the end. Azzar tumu, you all support. Both these verbs indicate you all. Now, this is a very common and important verb. Fatha over each letter. Fatha, fatha, fatha. Fa'ala over each letter means he. He did. Or kasra in the middle also means he, but it is rare. This is the kasra in the middle. Alima, he knew. Such verbs are few. Now, here is one small thing to note. If you have a noun like Allah ending with Dhamma, this will cancel the he. So instead of saying he sealed, we will say Allah, he sealed. And in Arabic, usually we have the verb at the start. So this is the verb and this is the noun, proper noun. Now this was about he he did, how to identify he. Then comes they. So dhamma at verb end means they. The rest of the letters will be similar. For example, the first two letters, the first letters will be the same as singular. They will have fatha. But at the end you will have a dhamma. So fa'alu means they did. Or if you have a sukoon at the end, ra'aw at the verb end, it also means they. And similarly, the starting letters will be same as the singular with fatha. For this means they saw. Then how to identify feminine? If you have the at the end, it means feminine. Fa'alat, she did. Or the same word the at the end also is used for past actions. Kazzabat, it means denied. So here we summarize all that we have learned. This is all you need to know to identify the past tense verbs. He will have fatha at each letter. They will have sukoon or dhamma at the end, and the other verbs will be the same as fatha. This is you, this is you all, this is I, this is we, and this is she. And here are some examples. Ja'ala, he made. Wa'adu, they promised. Here the first two letters are same as singular and the last letter will have dhamma. Khalaqta, ta means you. Tum means you all. Ahlaktu, tu means I. Na means we. Hamalat, the ta with a sukoon means she. Another thing is the past passive. Okay, if you wish to identify the past passive, the first letter will have dhamma, second letter will have kasra, and this last letter will be any of the seven endings that we have seen above. So it could have this ending or this, any of this ending. But these two will always be the same, a dhamma at the start and then a kasra. So here if you see, it's a dhamma, kasra and fatha. Here is dhamma, kasra and again dhamma. This is for they and so on. But there are some exceptions to the past passive rule. For example, kila means it is said. Ruddu, they are returned. Here there is dhamma. Du'u, they are called. And here are some practice examples for the entire chapter. Kala means he said. Kana means he was. Ja'ala means he made. Now recall the rule, fatha over each letter is equal to he. Law Shah Allah. Here there is a dhamma with a noun. So this will cancel the he. So we will read it as if wills Allah or if Allah wished. Sorry. Wa afa. This is a conjunction. Afa means he forgave. Zalama means he wronged. Alimu. This means they knew. Here we have fatha, kasra and dhamma. They knew. Zalamu, they wronged. Sharao, they sold. Kalu, they said. Kanu, they were. Kafaru, they wronged. Kunta, you were. Here there is ta. Kuntum, you all were. So that's it